years of living in the shadow of Call of Duty, Battlefield is ready for a comeback, and this time, it's not playing nice. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech and gaming hub. Battlefield 6, the latest entry in the iconic military shooter series, shaping up to be EA's boldest bet yet. With a budget reportedly in the hundreds of millions and 4 global studios, DICE, Criterion, Ripple Effect, and Motive working in sync, this is more than just a game. It's a statement. The stakes are sky high, as the franchise's last edition, Battlefield 2042, had flopped hard. The developers say the lessons from that stumble were important. One major corrective measure was to bring back the single-player campaign this time under the eye of Criterion's Fasahat Salim, and fans are responding to early playtests with record-breaking hype and explosively positive feedback. The passion behind the scenes is just as real. Lighting artist Vlad Kokan calls working on the game surreal, as he's shaping the mood of a blockbuster title he once played as a kid. While GM of EA's European studios, Rebecca Kutaz, says Battlefield 6 might be unbeatable in terms of player experience. She sounded cautiously optimistic when she said, "You never know." But what matters most is we don't disappoint our community. All this unfolds as EA heads into uncharted territory with a $55 billion Saudi-backed buyout and a growing interest in generative AI. But for now, the mission is clear: deliver a game that not only competes, but conquers. Looks like the Battlefield's set and the world is watching. Are you ready to play the game? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.